Ever wonder why you work hard but your money still seems to disappear? It feels like no matter how much you earn, it slips through your fingers. Today, I'm breaking down the everyday money habits that quietly keep Americans broke and what small changes you can make to finally take control. Most people think they know where their money goes until they actually track it. Coffee here, takeout there, and Amazon just one thing. And before you realize it, your paycheck is gone. When you start writing down every expense, even just for a week, you finally see the truth. A simple spending tracker can easily save you hundreds a month. Then there's the wants versus needs problem. Needing food? Yes. Needing a $14 smoothie and new AirPods? Not really. One of the biggest money traps is convincing yourself that luxuries are essentials. Once you stop doing that, you instantly free up cash without changing your life. And let's be honest, saving whatever is left over rarely works. Most of the time, nothing is left. Smart savers do the opposite. They pay themselves first. Even $20 a week becomes over $1,000 a year, and that's without feeling like you're sacrificing anything. Another habit that hurts people is skipping an emergency fund. One flat tire, one medical bill, one broken phone, and suddenly you're relying on credit cards with 20% interest. An emergency fund is financial protection, not a luxury. Even a small one makes a huge difference. Your credit score matters too. In the U.S., it affects your apartment, your car, your insurance, sometimes even your job. A bad score quietly drains your money through higher interest payments. Pay on time, keep balances low, and avoid unnecessary credit applications. And finally, investing. People avoid it because it looks complicated, but you can literally start with $5. Index funds, ETFs, and robo-advisors make it simple. The longer you wait, the more you lose to time. Fix just one of these habits this week, and you'll already be ahead of most people. Small decisions create big results, and your future self will thank you for starting now.